You've been told it takes months of grinding, begging for backlinks, and burning cash on ads just to make your first dollar online. The old advice is to publish and pray, hoping that one day, maybe, traffic shows up. That model is slow, it's painful, and honestly, it's frustrating. It makes most people quit before they ever see a dime. But what if the old rules are just wrong? What if you could create your content, connect with an audience, and drive traffic to a great affiliate offer on the very first day? This isn't a theory. In this video, I'm showing you the AI daily income method that almost nobody is talking about. This isn't about magic buttons or fake promises. This is a real step-by-step system. I'm going to show you exactly how I use an AI tool called Claude to go from a totally blank screen to a live, traffic-generating affiliate asset in under 24 hours. Stick with me, because we are building this machine together right now. All right, let's get one thing straight. When I say daily income, I'm not promising you'll be a millionaire tomorrow. Affiliate marketing is a business, and it always comes down to performance. It needs traffic, trust, and conversions. The daily part of this method is all about the speed at which you can create and launch a potential income stream. For years, the biggest wall was the insane amount of content you needed to create just to compete. It took weeks to research and write one blog post. It took days to script and edit one YouTube video. AI has smashed that wall. But here's the thing. I think most people are using it completely wrong. They're using AI as a simple article spinner, pumping out generic, soulless content that no one actually wants to read. The system I'm showing you is different. We aren't using AI as just a writer. We're using it as our content strategist, our script writer, our video idea generator, and our marketing consultant, all rolled into one powerful tool. The goal is to get you into the market and in front of an audience faster than ever. Before we build the machine, we need fuel. In affiliate marketing, a great product serves as that fuel. This is step one, and it's more important than you think. Promoting a bad product is pointless. A great offer solves a real problem and feels like a helpful recommendation, not a sleazy sales pitch. For this tutorial, the offer I'm promoting is the perfect example. It's called the Daily Income Method, and it's a real training program that teaches the strategies we're discussing today. It's a program designed to show beginners how to make money with short-form video and organic traffic. This creates perfect synergy because I'm using the exact methods taught inside the program to promote the program itself. This program is specifically designed for beginners, offering done-for-you content and AI tools to get started fast. This approach makes it an incredibly effective product to promote because it solves the exact pain points of someone starting out. They want a system, they want speed, and they're afraid of getting overwhelmed. This offer solves all of that. To give you a real-world example, it pays a commission of $200 for each sale. Remember, the key is to choose a product you genuinely believe in that aligns with your content. When the offer is a perfect fit, the selling becomes effortless. This is where the magic happens. Welcome to step 2, the Claude content system. I'm going to share my screen and show you the exact prompts I use to turn a simple idea into powerful marketing content. Forget staring at a blank page. First, ideas. I'm going to open up Claude and give it a roll. This is the key. Don't just ask a question, tell it who to be. My first prompt will be, act as an expert viral video strategist for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I'm promoting an affiliate product about making money with short-form video. Generate 10 viral video ideas, each with a strong, problem-focused hook for someone who feels stuck with making money online. And bam! Instantly, Claude gives me a list of angles. Stuff like the 7-second video that can build a business, or you're using AI for your side hustle all wrong. These aren't just topics, they're scroll-stopping hooks. Now, I'll pick my favorite. Let's go with one about faceless marketing, since that's a huge trend. Time for prompt number 2, the script. I'll write, using idea number 4 about faceless marketing, write a full 60-second video script. Start with the hook. Follow it with 3 quick tips for creating anonymous content. Then, smoothly transition to the daily income method as the perfect solution for building a business without showing your face. End with a strong call to action, telling viewers to check the link in my profile. What I get back is a structured, conversational script that's about 90% done. But here's the most important part, the human touch. You never just copy and paste from AI. This is where you inject your personality. I'll read the script and tweak it. I'll change a phrase to sound more like me. I will add a quick story like, I used to be terrified of being on camera until I figured the process out. This is the step that makes your content feel real. Finally, the thumbnail. A great video can die just because of a terrible thumbnail. So, my last prompt is simple. Act as a YouTube thumbnail expert. For the video about faceless marketing, give me 5 simple but powerful thumbnail concepts. The text should be minimal, visuals should create curiosity, and it needs to be high contrast and easy to read on a phone. Claude will spit out ideas like a shadowy figure with text that says, "Profit without your face?" or a phone showing analytics with the words, "Anonymous income." And just like that, in about 15 minutes, we have viral concepts, a full video script, and 5 clickable thumbnail ideas. That's the power of this system. You've got your AI-powered content plan. Now for step 3, the day 1 traffic method. This is where we get our message in front of real people today. An asset on your hard drive is worthless. An asset published on a platform with billions of users has infinite potential. Our strategy is all about short-form video, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Why? Because their algorithms test new content. Even brand new accounts get a shot at reaching a huge audience. This is the most important factor for getting traffic on day 1. A new blog post could take months to get seen by Google, but a new short has the potential to get thousands of views in its first 24 hours. Here's the plan. Take that 60-second script from Claude. Your smartphone is all you need. You can either film yourself talking or, for our faceless theme, create the video with stock footage and text overlays using free tools like CapCut. Just read the lines with energy. Once it's edited and once you get the hang of it, this can be done in under an hour. It's time to publish. Upload it everywhere, Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Use one of the thumbnail concepts from Claude. For your description and bio, you're going to place your unique affiliate link. Your call to action in the video is simple and direct. If you want the exact system for creating faceless content that drives traffic, check out the training I linked in my profile. And that's it. You hit publish. You can complete the whole process, from brainstorming to your video going live, in just a few hours. You've just created and launched a traffic-generating affiliate asset on day 1. You're not waiting for an audience to find you, you're going out and capturing their attention. So the big question, does this actually work? Will you get daily income? Let me be 100% transparent with you. This is not a lottery ticket. Affiliate marketing is a real business, and your results will depend on your consistency and effort. The first video you post might get 500 views, or it might get 50,000. It could make 0 sales, or it could make 5. There are no guarantees. Let me give you a real example from when I first tested this system. My first video got about 3,000 views on day 1. It drove 25 clicks to my affiliate link, and one of those clicks turned into a $200 commission. The next day I posted another video. It received 1,000 views but generated no revenue. The day after that I posted a third. It got 10,000 views and made 2 sales. But let me be super clear. My results are not typical. The power of this method isn't that every video is a home run. The power is that you can produce so much high-quality content so quickly that you give yourself more at-bats. You're not spending a month on one piece of content. You're spending a day. This lets you test, learn, and adapt at a speed that was impossible before. It is also critical that you're ethical. Always disclose that you're using an affiliate link. Make sure you're following the specific rules for your platform and region, like the FTC guidelines. Trust is your most valuable asset. Remember, you're aiming for potential income, which is commission-based and never guaranteed. So there you have it, the 3-step AI daily income method. Step 1, find a great, relevant affiliate offer that solves a real problem. Step 2, use the Claude content system to generate viral ideas, scripts, and thumbnails in minutes. Step 3, use the day 1 traffic method by publishing on short-form video platforms for immediate exposure. The old slow grind rules of affiliate marketing are over. The new game is all about speed, and AI is your engine. By using this system, you stop waiting for opportunities and start creating them every single day. If you got any value out of this video, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button. I drop strategies like these every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.